Everybody, welcome back to Monjali Market. I'm Josh.
And I'm Hunter.
And we are back with our second DG pallet of the 3 that we bought. So this is going to be part 1 of the second DG pallet. Like I said before, these always go around about $500 or so. All brand new merchandise, case packs, sometimes they're just thrown in boxes. So just really good for flea marketers, yard sales. We had to get the old trusty tin out because it is absolutely scorching out today. Just protect from the sun. And just so we stay a little bit cooler and not stand the baking in the sun. So we'll just dig right in and see what we got. So like I said, it's probably about, this pallet's probably gonna take us 2 or 3 videos to get through. That way they're not really long, probably stay around 10 or 15 minutes each.
Easter eggs.
So box 1 is Easter eggs. We got a case pack of Scott paper towels. We've already kept at least one thing of paper towels, so I don't know if we'll keep these or not, but case pack of paper towels.
There's 3 of these bins in here, various in sizes. The little one starts at 12 and the big one 16. So we'll probably do marketplace on these. Fast moves for us.
These are marketplace too. They're like I don't know, they're like window, like picture frame, not picture frames, but like a decor. They're gold windows. They're $15 each. We have 2 of them, like a coral color and a white color. These are marketplace.
Nice.
Probably get about $10 a piece for these.
Nice case pack of those foldable, I can get them out, lap desks. Ooh.
Come on, muscles.
So there's 4 of them in here.
$20 retail value.
Yeah, we'll probably do marketplace for those as well.
A bundle of these Swiffer XL mop clothing things. So there's a pack of those. Another thing of Bounty paper towels, case pack. Or not case pack, just a single thing of Bounty paper towels. We've got some more of these. We got some of these in the first pallet. Another like 4 of these Sterilite, just storage totes, brand new off the lids.
This is a case pack of pallet shadow things. There's 4 of them in here.
Now those are
They retail for $5 a piece.
those were Christmas gift sets. So we actually got a bunch of those when they pennied. We retail arbitrage a ton of those gift sets, Christmas gift sets.
Ooh.
Are they still any good or melted? Are those not melted? Wow.
I have no idea. It's like almost 100 degrees here where we're at today.
And this has been sitting in our trailer for like a week.
A week, yeah. A week yesterday. And here is a whole bunch of Easter creamy caramel. Some of these. Now these are a little soft.
Yeah.
Gummy bears, the Harbor one. Oh, Josh's favorite, Reese's Pieces.
Cool.
Yeah, so a whole box of Easter candy.
So this is a full box of men's like mossy oak short sleeve t-shirts, all different sizes, and cutoffs. Yeah, all kinds of men's mossy oak t-shirts. So this is a really good find. We don't get a lot of men's clothing, so this always goes really well in our sales. Yeah, just a variety of men's mossy oak t-shirts. A whole box of them.
If you're local and you see anything that you might like here in our videos, we're going to be having a yard sale coming up in probably July.
Yep.
Or so that you'll see all this at. So here is a set of 3 decorative storage containers. There's this set of 3 and then there's another set of 3 in here. The smallest one sells for 10 and the largest one sells for 14. So
There's a lot more marketplace piles I've noticed, and stuff that we can sell, not like on marketplace too. Oh, these are cool. So a case pack of kids water bottles. We got one that's to follow your dreams, and then one that's got dinosaurs, and then one that's got just like unicorns and rainbows on them.
you might have to keep that dinosaur one.
It has keychains on the outside, but that's clearly not keychains. It's all water bottles. Case pack.
Here is a case pack of Christmas wreaths that sell for $5 a piece.
Nice.
So, that's nice.
I got 2 of these Sherpa throw rugs, $15 retail each. These are brown dot. I don't know when you guys will be seeing this, but I know brown dot just pennied this week, or 9% off at DG. So here's some Sherpa rugs.
Cotton balls?
Yep, that'd be a quick sell.
Yeah, a case pack of cotton balls.
Yep.
I mean, it's full. So,
Nice. Makeup. No. Contact solution. And then like some hairspray, some cucumber melon hand cream, toothpaste, a baby shark puzzle, hand sanitizer, more lotion things, vitamins, lotion. So yeah, whole thing of like lotion, like hand sanitizer, puzzles, hair stuff. So whole box full of that.
This looks like some more clothes, but they look like almost like a, not a case pack, but kind of. Yeah, because they're all bundled together.
Yep.
So
Another thing of mason jars, quart size or whatever you can call them, liter
these
size.
sleeper sets sell for $12.50, and there's 4 of them there, and there's 6 of these pant sets, and they sell for $12.50 as well. So it's a pretty good box too.
Yep. I've been very impressed with these DG loads that we get in.
They're very clean lately.
They're clean. There's nothing broken these. Like, they're easy money makers for flea marketers and yard sellers. You're not going to lose your money on any of these DG stuff. So this is a case pack of crazy pop straws. So
When we get stuff like that, we like to usually give it to like the kids.
Yeah, there's 20 of them in here.
That come to our yard sales.
I think it's like a sucker. Yeah, it's like a sucker that you put in your drink, and it's got a straw in it. So
This is nice too. Case pack of bowls. There's 6 of these sets in here. Those will sell quick for us.
handful of just doormat rugs. Retail for $5 each. We got 4 of them, 5 of them, 4 of them. Rugs. Nice. Bowl boxes are good. These are browned out again. Those would have just pennied.
Different Sherpa rugs. Put on your positive pants is a little sign.
Mine is a case pack full of a gift set of like all nail polish, whichever color nail polishes. There's 4 things in here, and they retail for $5 each.
There's a little mug in here. There's some more of these signs. So, the person who packed this packed the glass stuff like in between the rugs or in between the blankets.
They were careful. They were nice.
That's nice. You don't see that very often.
Especially liquidation, and I don't blame employees. I mean, it's getting liquidated. They stuff boxes. This is gonna be a case pack of in session, do not disturb, and please knock and come in. So,
I need one of those for work.
Yeah, sure you do.
This is a bunch of toilet tissue. This one's unfortunately open. There's another one down here, and then here's a nice laundry basket. I'll probably try and sell this laundry basket on Heartland Swap. It's not damaged or anything. So we'll probably try and sell it on there.
You might put some cleaning stuff in there to sweeten the pot a little bit. So we got some surface vinyl. Looks like you know you put in like your cabinets or your drawers and stuff like that, so it doesn't slide or clink around. A little case pack of that. 5 of them in there.
I'm taking my
Sorry. Whole thing of Angel Saw toilet paper again. I didn't almost take that. I almost jacked it.
Yeah. I had to walk all the way around him to get it. About okay. See how many times Josh can hit the spider before he kills it.
Not good right now. This is a case pack of Mr. Clean. So like Mr. Clean mops. Sorry. Case pack Mr. Clean mops. There's 4 of them in here.
Ooh,
Sorry.
Power sprayers. These are a whole bunch of spray bottles here.
One of them's bent, but other than that, they're all good.
A case pack of mouthwash. A little candlestick holder. This is truly a hodgepodge box. Some hair color. Some nail buffers. Here,
Open this.
Vaseline case pack.
Toothbrushes. Case thing of toothbrushes. like 3 packs in there.
Some combs,
Those fall.
some clips, pumice stone,
Look at that health and beauty box there.
Brett. There's some more sprayers down here. That's probably more toothbrushes.
Nope. Hair brushes.
Hair ties. There's some bandages and some more hair dye down here. So that's kind of like what we call a hodgepodge box.
Which of those are like usually my favorite. I like hodgepodge. There's a bunch of good stuff usually in them. So that's going to do it for part 1 of our DG pallet unboxing for this pallet. So make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We'll be back with part 2 of our second DG pallet here shortly. Good luck, guys.
Bye.